Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. So today I decided I would explain my drawing process. So I start off with a very rough sketch of how I want the body to look, and then I start off with a circle. I get a rough pose down, and usually I just touch this up until I'm very much happy with it. I turn the opacity down so that way I can see the rough sketch underneath it, and then I just turn the opacity up when I think the line art looks good enough. Uh, don't Don't notice those arms. I wanted to give her arms, but I just couldn't pose them right, so I decided no arms. Here I pulled up my sprite for color references, where I would also sample the colors and put them into a different location so they can be used yet again when I need to redraw her, because inevitably that's going to need to happen. And then you can see I work on the shading. I take the darkest color, aka her spots, and I make it much, much darker, and then I just fill in the areas that would normally be shaded. I don't really have like a very big shading style. It's very simplistic. You know, it's just supposed to be bare bones and whatnot. Here I worked on the floor. I was trying to go for a wood paneling look. I don't know if that came through though. Then I sampled the shading color so I could shade her on the floor. And then I added the wall behind her. And after I finished doing all the shading on the wall behind her, and the gradient, I was done for a while, but then I came back to the piece and thought she was missing something. I didn't know what she was doing in this piece. So you know what I did? I came back to it yet again and spent another 30 minutes working on this headphones and coloring them in and shading them to be just right. I played around with different sizes and stuff for a while, but I ended up having to edit those out because if I showed you every iteration of the headphones, it would have taken. And every iteration of the notes would have been awful too, but